guys, it's me, Dora. Today we're gonna be playing Airplane 3. Alright, we're gonna be Airplane 3, and I forgot the course. And that's why. Anyways, you're probably wondering why I gathered this here. Oh yeah, like why? Why'd you gather us here? Why'd you gather us here?
Hey,
for what?
don't forget me.
Yeah, I know.
Everyone must subscribe.
Yeah, immediately. Also, I'm the Roblox States Army General. Oh, cool.
Where is he? Oh,
He's right here. You can call me General Poncho, okay? Hello. From this point on, everything I say should be taken as an order. Alright. Or else you will be expelled from the team. Okay. Now please take a seat. Okay, well take a seat. What do you want?
Is it an airplane?
Maybe, guess.
Let's go.
Let's get to the point. Who's that?
What is that? What
Criminal?
is that?
This is our target. Oh, really? Oh, criminal is your target? Cool. His name is Ronald. Wait, isn't that the president? Isn't that the president? We have investigated, and all we know is he is a danger for Boxan. But wasn't he the president? What did he do? Wasn't he the president? That is where we are heading. All right. What the? Ronald has kidnapped the captain of an airplane. Oh no! Everyone in that plane must be in danger.
That's right. Luckily, the plane is flying in mode.
That is right. Luckily, the plane is still flying in autopilot mode, which means everyone's safe. That's you? Our mission is to stop Ronald. We need to find that plane and get everyone out safely. Alright. We will find Ronald, attentions, and bring him to justice. But how will we get to the plane? Good question. Follow me. Alright. Whoa! Whoa! What the? Everyone ready?
Let's do this.
Alright, we're ready for what? Going down. Wait, what? Whoa! That's cool. Are we going to the airplane? This is cool. Whoa! 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 Look at that! Wait, is that the airplane? Yo, let's go! Airplane 3. Woo! Hold on! That's it! That's a Robloxius! That is... Welcome to the military grave. What the... Hold on! That plane is a Robloxia military plane. That is how we're going to save the airplane from Ronald. Ooh, that's a U.S. Army airplane. But first, let's get everyone set up. Okay. No one is leaving. No one's leaving this place without military. Okay, please take one behind me. Ooh, these military outfits are cool. Ooh, I'm picking this one. Yo, let's go. Now I'm a part of the United. I mean, now I'm a part of the Roblox States. Oh no! Now I become a part of the. Never mind. Now let's check the system. I finally have become a part of the Robloxia State's army. Checking the plane. Whoa! Uh-oh.
Oh no.
That's not good.
We don't have enough fuel.
Uh-oh. Oh no! It looks like we don't have enough fuel. We need to fill the plane tank completely before we can take off. Alright. That is a fuel nozzle. There's 4 of them around the cave. Okay. I need you to help me connect them to the plane. Okay. Okay. Connect the nozzle to the plane depending on its color.
I'm not doing that.
I will fill the tank once the nozzles are in place. Let's go.
I'm not doing that.
You have to, or else you die. I think, I don't know. Hold on, I'm gonna try this one.
I'm gonna try the green one because look, if you hit those blue things, do you lose health or you die?
I think you lose health. Let's press this. What does this one do? Alright. Alright, let's do this.
I pressed
So,
it.
I do it right over here. Done.
I got one.
Alright, come on, bro.
We need fuel, though.
Yeah. Go. Move, people, move it. Excellent. All nozzles are connected. Okay. Filling the tank now. Okay, and now it's refilling. Okay, filling tank. Wait for it. And completed. Now we are ready. Let's go. Time to go on the plane.
How do you get on?
I almost forgot. That's Pilot Clark. Hi, Clark. He will be our pilot through this mission. Okay. Alright. System is ready, General. Please start the engine, pilot. Starting the engine. Okay, it's alright, it started. Engine's ready. Okay, time to get on the plane. This open the back door. We've been on the plane 3 times. Or actually 2 times. Now this is gonna be our 3rd time on the plane. Now get in there and find a seat before we close the door.
Why is it like bigger?
I have no idea. Alright. Closing door. Prepare to take off. Alright. Good luck, soldiers. Alright. What's this? Bananas? We are now flying in the kidnapped plane direction. Bananas? Why are there bananas? Are we gonna eat them? Even so, we still have a few hours until we get there. I want the bananas. There is something about this Ronald guy. Oh, cool.
What is it?
At first sight, he looked like a good person. Why would he do something like that? General, what are these? Oh, I thought you could be hungry. Oh, thanks! Oh, this banana tastes amazing. I love bananas. Banana! You might need the energy for later.
Oh.
We just ate it, sorry. Wait! Don't eat the banana! Why? It's poison.
What?
What? No, I swear. What? I'm just joking. Oh, dang it! It's no prank.
Oh.
That's not funny, General!
That wasn't not funny.
Oh, I'm sorry. I just had to do it. Don't do that to me! Oh, Jesus! Anyways, we will be flying just for a few more hours. You might as well chill or take a nap. Okay, I will wake you up when it's time. All right, I'm gonna get enough sleep immediately. I want to get enough sleep. This plane does not look weird, but cool.
Really?
Look the outside. It does not look weird.
That was because we saw that.
All right. Woo! It's raining. Time to wake up, everyone. Oh my gosh. I just want to sleep.
Let us sleep.
I didn't get no sleep. It's nighttime and it looks like we're inside a storm. Dude, I just want to sleep. I'm going back to sleep. We need to be ready in case we have to. General, we were struck by lightning. Our red motor is in circle danger. Does that mean we will die? Okay, everyone, chill. I will fix the motor, but I need everyone to cover me out there. Okay? Wait! Oh, this is so scary! Don't not fall off. The storm is getting worse. I will fix the motor as quickly as I can. Yeah, why'd you think so? Please be okay. Cover me and try not to get so away with me. General! Did you just spell? General! General! Where are you? General! General! What is it here? Whoa!
We need to survive.
Whoa! General! 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 Where's the general? Are you fixing? Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, what are you doing here? I just want to see you. Move out the way, I cannot see. We're gonna crash if you move. You don't move out the way. Sorry. We're gonna crash if you don't move. Sorry. Hey, Murray, I cannot see. But I cannot see. Sorry. Where's the general? Oh, the motor's fixed now. Good, now let's go back inside, cause I'm gonna sleep. I'm tired immediately. I've never seen such a... What are you doing? I'm digging. Oh, you're digging? For what? Ah! What is that? Oh, a skeleton? Why? Why is there a skeleton? No, stop this thing. What isn't that like the monster? Burn! Isn't that like the monster? Fire! Quickly! Inside the plane! Why? What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm sleeping. Why? I want it. Violet! Is everything okay? Where are the skeleton? I'm sorry, General. I don't know what you were talking about. The giant skeleton! You will see the skeleton, General. Never mind. Let's keep moving. We're almost there. Jesus.
Why did you wake us up?
Yeah! I just want to sleep immediately. Oh, I'm sleeping. Hey. General, we're finally here.
No, my gosh.
Perfect. Everyone pay close attention. We will sneak through the back door of the kidnapped plane. We need to get everyone out safely before we go after Ronald. Alright. Once we're in there, we have one chance. We just have one chance. Oh yeah? Good luck, soldiers.
Wait,
Okay.
what?
What are you talking about, General? What are you talking about, General?
No, if I die, literally.
What is this? This is it. We are in the plane. Wait, really? How are we in the plane? It looks like Ronald covers the door. Is this the plane? I wanted to do this my whole life. Oh no! We better hurry! Check the storage. See if you can find anything to open this door. Okay. Ooh, what's this? No. Smelly cheese. Hammer? Here, you found a hammer. That will work. Alright. Oh no, what happened? Just that. Alright. It's over, Ronald. How did you get here? Hey, Ronald, we're gonna teach you. Oh no, people! There's no time to go after him. What about these dudes? We need to save everyone on this plane first. Okay, we will. Untie everyone before time runs out. Quick! Touch them to untie. Touch them. Oh, come. There we go. Hiya! Yeah! Oh! I will save you! Oof, thank you. Why did I say oof? Go! Quick. Here we go. General, I informed you that all the leads are now safe in the aircraft. Great! But there is still one left. The captain! How are we gonna get there? This is it! Why are you still digging? Over here. We just have one chance to try and talk with Ronald.
What?
Who wants to be here? I will. Step in front of the captain door. How are we doing? And you? Alright. Regret you, Brandon. Oh no.
If I can, I don't want to do this.
Ronald! Open the door! We can't work this out! Oh no. Oh! How did you get here? Ronald? Let the captain go! Oh my god, come back! You don't understand anything! Good, you know, you're running my plan! I deserve this! Listen to what I'm going to say! secret. Everyone made fun of me. Yep, just like the monster. And when I had a problem, there was no one there. All I ever wanted was a friend. You wanted a friend, Ronald? Oh, you don't have to do this. We can be your friends. We can save you. Friends? Would you really do that to me? Yes! We can be your friends! Because you're a good person too! I don't know if you can save me. I'm taking things too far. I see that the team needs to do this. Hey, Ronald! Yes, Jeremy, work together! Okay, I will. I will become a good person. Oh, what's happening? I don't get it! I'm not feeling it. Ronald? Ronald? Oh, what happened? Ronald! Are you okay?
Ronald, are you okay?
Ronald! No, what happened? Ronald! 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 Ronald!
The captain.
General! The captain! Where's Barry? Ronald! 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 There's no time! The plane is about to explode! This is not good. Probably stay back. Take this parachute. What? No way. Are we jumping out? Oh, General! What about you? I will save Ronald and the captain. But, General, you're gonna die. There's no time. Let's go. Oh. Ah! Ah! There's a person looking for this. Where is that? What the? There we go. Still moving. Get there, jump. Let's go. What the? What the? Wait, how do we get that one? Oh, we just go here. No, Brianna. I'm the only one left. No, I'm sorry. Okay. Whoop. Brianna. I'm so sorry, Brianna. Help me. Wait, is there a plane? I want to land there. I'm so sorry, Brianna. It was a pleasure working with you. Oh no. Is that the plane? The plane. All I gotta do is land on the plane. I'm landing in the plane. Go. No. Everyone died except for me. I'm the only one left. I'm the only soldier left. I can land here. What the? What are you guys doing here? What's going on? What? Why are you guys dancing? Can everyone tell me what's going on? Hello? Why are you? Wait, did I win?
Yeah.
I won!
Don't end the video.
I won, guys!
Unfortunately, I didn't survive. So
Hey, Captain, you made it!
let's give a clap to Ronald.
I did! Thanks for saving my life.
Sorry guys, I didn't even get to the I didn't get I died and
It was fine. It's fine.
Django.
General Pancho gave his life to save everyone on the planet. Thanks for saving my life. He's a hero, and so are you. I had to joke because everyone died. Thank you for your service, soldiers. No problem. I know Genuine Peter's proud. Is proud wherever he is. He'll be using a better place now. Look him. I am proud of you. Good job. I discovered the Google thing! I won! Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good day. I will see you later and peace out.
Bye, guys.
Bye.